Hi. Let's take a moment. Let's take a breath. Let's take a chance. I thought of you this morning and couldn't wait to share a few minutes. Let's take a breath, breathing in, realizing the life and light and wonder as we breathe in life. And as we exhale, debris. And as we exhale, obstacles that only falsely occupy space. Let's breathe in again this life, this light, this hope, this joy. Let's hold and let's breathe out the distraction, the illusion of anything else. Taking a moment to really exhale all that air. Let's breathe in again. The light, the love, the confidence, the peace, the knowing. Let's hold that and let's breathe out the worry, the doubt, the training, that we've been given. Let's check in with our heart. Let's check in with that space, with our heart. We've probably checked in with our mind. Let's check in with our heart. Let's breathe into that space. If you feel best, let's close our eyes. Let's take a moment to thank our heart, to feel our heart space, to imagine what it is like there. Can you sense the love? Can you sense the peace? Can you sense the space? I see light. I see flowers today. I see kindness. Kindness for myself. Kindness for even taking a moment to realize, to check into my heart. I'm filled with appreciation for myself, for you, for thinking of you, for thoughts of you. I see my puppy, I see my kitties, and the kindness they show me and the love they share. And my friends, and my relatives that have gone. They're always here. They always are here when I take a moment. With love. With none of the debris that was here when they were here. It's all clear. There's all love. There's all light. There's all kindness. There's all understanding. There's all knowing. And it's okay. And it's good. And it's for you. So let's again thank our heart. Let's ask our heart. Let's know our heart is leading today. Let's allow our heart to lead today. That breath of life, of heart that I breathe in, that we breathe in, I breathe out. That distraction of fear that comes to be a tool to direct only, but not to occupy, not to lead, not to occupy all of the space that my heart is meant to. Let's reach out today in a gentle way to ourselves first. Let's reach out to ourselves first in kindness and in knowing and in acceptance. Let's hug our heart. Let's embrace the new. Let's allow the new. Let's allow the newness of this moment, of this breath. Just for a moment, let us pause. Just for an hour, let us have peace. Just for a day, let us share love. Just for a lifetime, let us have joy. Just for an eternity, let's dream. And forever, let's create. Today is yours to create. It is your divine inner life and love and light that can be your creator today.